Hello all, my name is Brian Smith and I am from Tampa, Florida. I went to the University of Florida for my undergraduate degree in Family, Youth, and Community Sciences with a specialization in health. After college, I taught in the elementary school system and decided to make a career shift. My original passion was healthcare and I became a simulation specialist of MedStar Health. As a simulation specialist, I work to create and facilitate the healthcare curriculum to provide educational content to healthcare associates in the system. I am also a BLS instructor, providing basic life support training to those inside and outside the mental health system, and I also am a proctor for laparoscopic and fundamental surgery exams for general surgeons. I have recently been tasked to manage the telehealth test call center of MedStar Health and assist in the interoperability of data pertaining to provider procurement to decrease the spread of COVID-19. The first question asks, describe any experience you have using quantitative methods. As I stated earlier before, I worked in the field of clinical education. It is our duty to monitor and survey the confidence and competency levels of our learners before and after they are presented with the educational content. It is our hopes that the education that we provide increases their knowledge of the subject matter and confidence as well. And we can assess this based on the surveys that we give them. If the learners are not more confident and leave with no educational gain, that is a sign that we have to reassess the delivery of our educational content. The second question asks, share any challenges you have faced related to prior research. So, a challenge that I faced related to prior research has been having enough individuals to participate in the surveying of this research to make a significant statistical difference. And our last question asks, discuss how quantitative methods can assist you in your future or current profession. So, with the recent cases of police brutality with our nation, it has placed a large emphasis on the inequalities of people of color in every aspect of our lives. I have presented to my leadership team that we have a large inventory of white mannequin simulators that we use for educational test trainers for clinicians and have a lack of ones of color, which enables implicit bias. I would like to use quantitative methods to assess if there's a decreased fatality and improper pain management amongst people of color if more educational content was delivered with a diverse selection of mannequins. Thank you so much for your time, and I can't wait to explore and experience this course with you in learning quantitative methods. Thank you again.